spilled everything. Fuck!
Okay, that's pretty tragic to start your perfect day like this. But anyways, Cococarbon is really kind to have sent me this teeth whitening products to try out here. So here I am doing it. You know, you always gotta start off with some teeth whitening products before you go for a first date. But just don't let your date see this black powder in your mouth look. You don't want to scare anyone out,
There's
okay?
still some like black residue here.
So since V-Day is round the corner, I thought I should do a blushing first date makeup with 5 different hairstyles to get you ready for the big day. So after brushing my teeth, I'm going in with a purifying mud mask from Fresh to get them gunk out from my pores. In case, you know, your date is coming too close to your face, they won't be seeing your black date. Also, moving on with a sheet mask to restore the moisture. While you're doing your mask, might as well be prepping your lips already for some important actions later. Lord. Okay, so right now I'm using the Laneige Sleeping Mask, and I really like how it feels after I apply it on my lips. So today I'm doing a blushing first date makeup. That means I'm going ham on my blusher. First, I'm going to use my favorite primer from The Ordinary, then trying out this Backlight primer from Becca to see if it actually helps to brighten my skin. But clearly, it didn't work. Moving on to my trusty Wet n Wild foundation. You don't want to look too cakey or too made up for the first date, so keep it light, girl. Guys are generally afraid of girls with a big face, but I usually don't care. But you know, if you want to impress someone, then go ahead and have a more natural look. I will lightly conceal my dark eye circles and do my brows. Clearly the worst in drawing my brows, so if you can see the unevenness, ignore it, okay? So now I'm powdering my eyes area only because I'm going to use some cream blusher afterwards. So I'll try not to mix powder and cream blushes together. Today I'm using 3 cream brushes. Today I'm using 3 cream blushes from Glossier and then mix them all together. I'll link the products in the description box down below, so don't worry. And I'm using this cream blusher as my base blusher for today in case my powder blush wear off in the middle of the day. So I'll be also piling 2 other blushes later and you'll see which blusher I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm going for a very natural look today. So for my eye, I'm just using this white base to sweep it all over my eyes as a base. And then using this dusty rose color for my crease. Just lightly sweep the products on my eyes. And remember to run the brush with the remaining eyeshadows on the waterline. Then use your ring finger to pack on some shimmer on your eyelids. Today I'm using just a rose gold shimmer that is included in this palette. For eyeliner, I'm going in with a brown gel liner so it won't look too harsh. Especially on a first date. And then try to drag the liner downwards so it gives off an innocent puppy eye effect. You know you gotta look cute and innocent on a first date. Also lining my lower lash line to create a bigger eye effect. Using my current favorite mascara, the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I'm not going in with falsies today because I actually am going for a very natural eye look. Using Benefit HOOLA Light Bronzer for my face and nose contour. Using this lighter shade of brown, it will make you look more effortless and not too fake. And then as usual, go in with your favorite highlighter. So as of late, I've been loving my favorite Pixie highlighter duo. Oh my god, you guys gotta go find it and use it, buy it. It's freaking pretty. For my lips, I have 2 options for you guys. First one is a Korean Graydon lips. Both of these products are from Can Make, so you kind of put it in the inner of your lips and then you go in with a clear gloss afterwards to create a juicy lip look. The second one, I'll be using a pinkish tinted gloss from NYX. This tint is called Tiramisu. For my hair, I have 5 different styles. First, I'm prepping my hair with this Living Hair Proof treatment, then using my 2-way tescom hair wand to curl my hair. I don't really know how to curl my hair so I'm just doing it my way. Hairstyle, I'm just gonna pull some strands of my hair at the side to frame my face and then do a half up ponytail. So for the second look, I'm just going in with this loose wave that I have already created with the hair wand. Third look would be a side braid, which is really easy. So you can look pretty sweet with that. And then the next one would be a full Ariana Grande half up ponytail. The last one is my favorite. It's a low ponytail roll, and you just gotta tie a low ponytail first and divide the middle part into two sections and push the lower side of your hair upwards. Very easy. And there you have it. Moving on to clothes, I'm wearing a top from Editor's Market that I actually featured on this photography video. I'll just link the video right on top. So if you want to check it out, go in and check it out. It's free. I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I have prepared for you guys, and I have a few videos coming up that are all about makeup and styling. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and also click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. See you guys soon. Bye!
Remember to like and subscribe.